And the survivor today is gonna show how to beat up a fire with Rob Lee. Hey Rob! So explain to us what you're doing there.
I'm building a fire.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
You need a lighter.
What else do you need to build a fire, Robert?
Wood?
Can you tell us what kind of wood?
Little skinny stuff.
Does it need to be wet or dry?
Dry. And
Dry.
newspaper.
And where do you
helps.
pick up this newspaper?
At Grandpa's house.
What about the wood?
Dave's house.
And how about the little ones over there?
Dad's house.
That's how you build a fire. And how do you start?
You light the paper.
Light the paper. Okay, let's go for the step number 1. Go, Rob. Let's get closer here.